The letter of Paul begins this way. Brothers and sisters, strive eagerly for the greatest spiritual gifts. Every Sunday, the priest tells us, go. He sends you away. He sends you with a mission. And the primary mission is love. I hope some of you will be able to say in your own hearts, just to be reminded of the primacy of love in our Christian life.
Sana nasa inyo rin ang kabayanihan ng isang kalunsod, isa ring kabataan na hinubog ng mga Heswita at handa tumawid ng dagat, ebanghelyo pangaral, at nang dumating ang sandali, sarili ay ialay. God, send down your Spirit, renew the pace of the Philippines by means of these young people. Fill them with your Spirit, turn them into heroes, make them have difference in our society.
Go and love the way Jesus loved.